much. Those lovely words. It means a lot getting compliments from like another good-looking girl. Well, I have a lot to say about Oriflame. They make great products. Use them. But no jokes aside, I think my association with Oriflame is now about a year old, and I think what really I guess motivated me to work with them was the fact that of course they make beautiful products that help you look more beautiful, but I love the ethos that they have, which is your dreams are inspiration. And I think what's really important is that they really care about what women are thinking, what they want, and they also make a difference in their lives. And I think the fact that they're so socially relevant in a country like ours, where they're making so many women, housewives, young girls, realize their dreams literally just by sitting at home and just by being a part of the Oriflame family. I think that's just wonderful. I've had several experiences meeting a lot of these amazing women and how they work, and the entire company is full of them. So I think it makes me look really good by being the face of Oriflame. So thank you very much. I think so. I think even if I'm wearing a white shirt and jeans, I just put a nice lipstick, I think it could seduce someone. So I think हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियाँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत होती हैं. तो हमको that's why इन्होंने जो बहुत स्मार्ट चीज़ की है, the one जो रखा है एकदम करेक्ट नाम रखा है, क्योंकि एक लड़की नंबर 1 है यहाँ पे. But थोड़ा बहुत I think अगर ऊपर वाले ने आपको थोड़ी खूबसूरती दी है, तो उसको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना भी आपका फर्ज है. And I think that's really important, which is where Oriflame comes in, which is where the beautiful products come in. कि आप इनको लगाएं, मतलब whether it's their foundations or it's their blush or any of the products that they use, it doesn't feel like makeup. It looks as if you have luminous, beautiful skin. So I think थोड़ा help की तो ज़रूरत होती है सभी को.
5 essential things that you should always have in women's purse that you always carry.
Well, I think I wouldn't carry them, but I think the 5 essentials have to be a sunblock, a BB cream, a mascara, a tint, and perfume. I think that these 5 things make a woman completely. I can tell a lot about a girl by these 5 products that she uses.
Okay, so I would say that Oriflame has a mission of fulfilling dreams, and that's why we have chosen a model, which is we sell our products through recommendation through consultants. And now we are over 2.5 lakh of consultant base, and even if you look at the buying habits, people have this trust element when they buy from somebody that they know who has tried it, and that person is also showing the effect of these products. So we have found that for our mission, for fulfilling people's dreams, for our sales, we are in the right kind of model, and we are growing as an organization. So one day you will see much more people around you offering Oriflame products, but through the same model.
Well, I'm hosting a show, which is a special show on women empowerment. It's going to be televised on Oriflame. It's going to be aired on Star Plus, which is it's first time I'm doing TV, so I'm quite excited, of course. But no television career plans as of yet. Actually, all their products, I like their foundations a lot. You know, I think they're very light. They're not very cakey. They don't look as if like you've caked up a lot of stuff. And I think just a nice base is a good thing to add on. You can do a good liner after that or whatever. But I think all their products are very good, and they're very suitable for the Indian skin. No matter how tired you are, makeup has to come off. Even if I'm not wearing too much makeup, I think a good cleanser is very important. And of course to moisturize at night. I think a lot of work happens on the skin is at night. So a lot of repair. So next day when you actually put on the makeup, it just looks even more better.
मेकअप पे वैसे जब मैं देखती हूँ बहुत सारी गलतियाँ करते हैं, तो मैं सबको सिखाना चाहती हूँ, which is why we have
5 गलतियाँ बताइए जो लड़कियाँ ज़्यादा.
ठीक है. पहली चीज़, first thing that a person can notice in a second, wrong foundation. This obsession of looking fair has to go. We have a lovely goldeny skin tone, this beautiful undertone to our skin. Why not keep it the same? Why not just use the foundation to even out? Second, again, using a light concealer on the under eyes will make you look older and not younger. So we have to stop doing that. Yes, people say use a lighter concealer, but that is for European and American skin tone. For Indian skin tone, you do not. You match it to your foundation shade. The concealer is only supposed to hide it. It's not supposed to make you look fairer again. Then using too much of shimmer during the day because sunlight catches shimmer and it makes it even more prominent. So I think keep it matte. There's no need to wear shimmer during the day. Going ahead, too much of blush, red tones. I think we can skip the red tones and stick to more peach and bronze and golden tones even in our blushes, which will further enhance our complexion. The last one, always outline your lips when you're wearing a brighter lipstick. If you don't do that, the lipstick will not look good. It looks very tacky. I'm sorry I'm using that word, but that's exactly how I want to explain it. Always use a lip liner. See, once you start using a lipstick, you always start with softer shades. So आप age group उस हिसाब से दूसरा criteria भी है that always start with softer tones. For a girl who's 22, I'd say softer pinks or peaches. ठीक है, as you age, like I said, most important thing, पहले shape your lips. Then you can use nice maroons. I think they go so well. Plums, maroons, deep reds, they go beautifully with our skin tone. You always have to remember as our skin tone gets warmer, जैसे हम लोग Indian fair tone जो होती है वो भी warm जाती है towards dusky जैसे थोड़ी हो जाती है. Your lip shade also have to go warmer. You can use the same tone. Everyone can use a red, but there's a different red for a fairer complexion going warmer, and there's maybe a deep maroon for someone with a duskier complexion. Beautiful pouty lips. Humapurishi, the face. Everybody, thank you so much for being there. It was lovely. Please try to come spread it. She does total justice to it. Go get your hampers. Thank you so much, Huma, for taking out your time for being there with us.
Well, I think Oriflame is a wonderful company. They make beautiful products to make women look more beautiful, and what I really love about them is the fact that they also work towards empowering girls. And I think that's really amazing because you could be at home, you could be a housewife, you could be a young student, you can sit at home and you can make money and you can realize your potential, you can study, you can do what you want with that. And I think this reward system that they have is really wonderful. खूबसूरती आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस से आती है, खूबसूरती इनहेरेंट होती है, तो आई थिंक जो हमारे अंदर की खूबसूरती अगर आप उसको संवारें तो दैट्स द मोस्ट वंडरफुल थिंग. आई थिंक आजकल चाहे आप मतलब किसी भी क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हो, आई थिंक लड़कियां हर क्षेत्र में अच्छा कर रही हैं, चाहे एजुकेशन हो, चाहे डिफेंस हो, चाहे इंडस्ट्री हो. आई थिंक व्हाट्स रियली अमेजिंग इज़ दैट women are realizing, I guess, their own potential. So we are doing everything at par with men, in some cases even better. And finally, there is a lot of stress that is being given to women's education, to our health, to us realizing our dreams and potential. And I think that's really important. And as citizens of this country, I think if you educate a woman, if you empower a woman, is when you empower the entire country. तो आई थिंक अगर सबसे टाइमलेस अगर मैं हिंदुस्तान की बात करूँ तो आई थिंक वहीदा रहमान जी. आई फाइंड हर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. इवन टुडे शी इज़ अमेजिंग एंड शी इज़ ग्रेसफुल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एन ऑड्री हेपबर्न इज़ माय स्टाइल ऑफ ब्यूटी, माय आइडिया ऑफ ब्यूटी. वेल आई थिंक अभी मैं अभी ड्रीम तो नहीं, अभी मैं बहुत ड्रीमी स्टेट में चल रही हूँ. एक पिक्चर आई थी बदलापुर जो हिट हो गई है, तो आई थिंक वो काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट है. एंड अभी कुछ दिन में हम उसे सेलिब्रेट भी करने वाले हैं. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट. सो आई एम इन अ वेरी ड्रीमी state of mind right now. But you understand, I think, see, picture करना एक अलग बात होती है, वो picture का appreciation एक अलग उसका एक feeling होती है. And we only live for appreciation. इसके बाद me and my brother are working on a film. फिल्म का नाम है Oculus. वो Oculus एक अंग्रेजी में पिक्चर आई थी, उसका official remake है. And me and my brother Saqib will be seen in it together. Details are yet to be locked, but we are very excited about it.
हुमा, अगर बॉलीवुड में से अगर Oriflame किसी को देने का मौका मिले एक्ट्रेसेस में से, तो वो कौन होगी और क्यों?
मेरे को तो सबको देना पड़ेगा ना. फिर मैं अगर एक एक्ट्रेस को Oriflame गिफ्ट कर दूंगी तो बाकी सब नाराज हो जाएंगे.
जिसके लिप्स आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है और आप
जिसके लिप्स मुझे सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है मैं खुद को गिफ्ट नहीं कर सकती.
आपके अलावा आपके लिप्स तो काफी अच्छे ही हैं.
I would gift Oriflame to करीना कपूर. एक्चुअली वुमेंस डे के लिए एक स्पेशल है प्रोग्राम, जिसके लिए 5 ऐसी औरतें जिन्होंने अलग अलग फील्ड्स में कुछ किया है एंड उन्होंने बहुत मुश्किलों से जूझ के उसके बाद आई मेट सम ऑफ देम पर्सनली एंड आई थिंक सम ऑफ देम रियली इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज हाउ देव कम अप द हार्ड वे. एंड आज वो उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ तो सुधारी है ही, बट उसके साथ साथ वो बाकी लोगों को सोसाइटी में हेल्प कर रहे हैं और उन्होंने NGO सेटअप किए हैं. एंड हाउ देव रियली कम अप द हार्ड वे. सो दिस इज़ एन इवेंट जहाँ पे हम उनको कमेमोरेट कर रहे हैं, उनके एफर्ट्स को अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, उनको एक छोटा सा मोमेंटो दे रहे हैं. और कहीं ना कहीं थ्रू द मीडियम ऑफ टेलीविजन, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा मीडियम है, रोज़ हम बैठ के टीवी देखते हैं, वुमेंस डे के ऊपर हम उन 5 औरतों को मतलब लिटरली सैल्यूटिंग करते हैं.
कुछ एक्साइटिंग होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स मतलब एज एन एक्टर यू ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग एक्साइटिंग डू एंड टीवी इज द बिगेस्ट मीडियम राइट नाउ. मतलब फिल्म स्टार्स की हमारी पिक्चर रिलीज होती है तो हम टीवी पे जाके उसे प्रमोट करते हैं एंड टीवी समथिंग मतलब अ फिल्म आई कैन डू 2 films or 3 films a year but television समथिंग आप रोज देखते हैं. So it's an everyday ready audience for you. So of course if there's something exciting I love to do it.
टीवी में क्या देखते हैं आपने कहा?
मैं ज़्यादा टीवी नहीं देखती हूँ. हिंदुस्तान बहुत टीवी देखता है, मैं बिल्कुल टीवी नहीं देखती हूँ. So I have no idea. Happy Holi, Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, Happy Women's Day.
सेलिब्रेट करती हैं?
I'm not a big Holi person. Yeah. I'm not a. I find अगले दिन शूटिंग होती है तो सब वो पूरा लाल पीला मुंह गड़बड़ हो जाती है. All right, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you.